माई टॉपिक इज डिप्थीरिया। आयुर्वेद में डिप्थीरिया को रोहिणी कंठ रोहिणी कहते हैं। डिप्थीरिया इज a serious bacterial infection that affect the mucous membrane of the throat and nose. It caused by Corynebacterium diphtheria. Incubation period 1 to 6 days. Average time is 3 days. It transmission by droplet infection like cough and sneezing. Epidemiology worldwide distributed, commonly in winter season. Signs and symptoms of diphtheria: sore throat, trouble breathing, low fever, husky voice, swollen lymph node, running nose. Malaise, impaired voice, swelling of the roof of the mouth. Types of diphtheria: it is 4 types: facial diphtheria, larynx diphtheria, nasal diphtheria, and skin diphtheria. Facial diphtheria, the most common type. Symptoms: sore throat, difficulty in swelling, tachycardia, moderate temperature, cervical lymphadenopathy, greenish white membrane tonsil. It can extend up to pharynx, larynx, nose deeply attached to mucous membrane and difficulty to remove. Removal without bleeding is impossible. Larynx diphtheria, it is less common type, very serious. Membrane can appear on the larynx, either primary and secondary extension from facial diphtheria. Symptoms: hoarseness of voice, apnea, barking, coughing, restlessness, anxiety, difficulty in breathing. Nasal diphtheria, it is very less common type, 1 to 3% cases found in nasal diphtheria. Greenish white tone turbinate. Symptoms: nasal abstract, nasal discharge, nasal bleed, foul smelling. Skin diphtheria, appear on conjunctiva, genitalia, ear, etc. Management of diphtheria. ADS. ADS stands for anti-diphtherium serum. 20,000 international unit, depending upon age, sex, extension, and dose of ADS 10,000 to 30,000 IU unit, 40 to 40,000 to 1 lakh unit available in market. Adverse drug reaction: sensitivity reaction, acute anaphylactic shock. Antibiotic used in diphtheria: injection zithromycin or tablet zithromycin, 250 mg and 500 mg available in market. Brand name of zithromycin: Agivil 500 IV, Zithromax tablet, Azithral 500 tablet. Ceftriaxone injection: Moxicillin 500 mg plus potassium carbonate 150 mg. Combination are available. Brand name: Augmentin, Amoxicillin 625 mg, Amoxicillin 625. Steroids: dexamethasone, prednisolone, methylprednisolone, betamethasone, etc. are used in diphtheria. Adequate fluid, for example, like RL and NS, isolate patient. Maximum 2 weeks bed rest, minimum 1 week bed rest to given patient. Feeding tube and rice tube require tracheotomy. Temperature supporting medicine given. Nebulize with budesonide, salbutamol, levosalbutamol, prevent. And maintain SpO2 above 95%, and other symptomatic treatment are given to patient. Thank you.